video right here, I'll be showing you how you can make money every single day with this single platform. Now, I'll be doing this myself and I'll be having money rolling in every single day. Now, we are at a time right now when making money every single day has become very, very important. Everyone right now is looking for ways to make an extra income online. That's the reason you have to pay close attention to this video as I share this with you. And before we jump right into the video, my name is Naira Evans, and in this very channel I share videos around business, making money online and tech videos. If you find this relatable, I will advise you right now to like this video. And with this said, I'll take you to my laptop screen right now, showing you how you can start making money from this platform right now every single day. So let's get started.
Now these are some of the top earners on this platform right here. This very person right here has earned over 238,475 Naira from this platform, and his current balance right here is 952 Naira. Now this very person right here has earned over 109,000 right here, and his current balance is 850 Naira. And this current person right here, John Wet, has earned over 100,000 plus, and he has a current balance of 11,000 Naira. And right here, Solomon right here has earned over 85,000 Naira, and he has a current balance of 8,154 Naira. And these are the top earners based on total withdrawal, and these are the top earners also based on current balance. And this is my dashboard right here on this platform. This is my own balance, and this is my last withdrawal. My last withdrawal on this platform was 1,305 Naira, and this is my total withdrawal I have made on this platform, right, for the short time I have been on this platform, right. This platform will basically pay you to do the normal things you do online, which are liking posts, commenting on Facebook posts, sharing on posts, tweeting, retweeting, liking TikTok posts. These are normal things you do online, but this platform will basically pay you to do these very things online. Now, this is what this platform is all about. Our platform allows advertisers to grow their social media presence by posting tasks for earners to perform, such as following accounts, liking posts, commenting on posts, streaming music, retweeting posts, and many more. In return, earners are paid for completing these simple tasks on social media. And this is basically what you do on this platform, and you'll be paid by doing this simple task, right? And these are the price list on this very platform. Now, before you start making money on this very platform, it's very important that you go through the earning list so that you know the earning list and the amount you'll be paid per task. I'll be walking you through everything on this platform, how you can register, how you can get your account activated, and how you can even insert your social media links, and how you can start making money right now on this very platform. Now, these are the earning list on this very platform. Now, this is Apple Stream Music. You earn 15 Naira per music you stream. Now, if you download app on Apple Store, you earn 40 Naira. App review, you earn 20 Naira. These are the tasks you do, and these are the money you'll be paid per task you do. This is just like a price list so that you know how much you'll be earning per task you'll be carrying out on this very platform. It's very important that you go through this price list to know what you are earning, and you can easily accumulate and calculate your earnings on this very platform. And this is Play Store app review, 20 Naira. Let's scroll down. Let's see. These are just all of them. This is Twitter repost. If you repost a tweet, you earn 30 Naira. These are all the earning list, and these are the price per service, right? Now, what you have to do first is to get registered on this very platform. Now, to get registered is very simple. You click on the first link in the description of this video. Once you click on it, it's going to land you in this very page right now. It's going to land you in this very page. The first thing you have to do is to register your account. So what you need to do is to put in your first name and your last name. Now, you want to make sure your first and last name is corresponding to your bank details. The reason is because it will be easy for them to credit you on your bank account. As you can see right now, it says please all earners should make sure that his or her name is the same as the bank details due to security purpose, right? So make sure that your name and your last name is corresponding to your bank details. If you put your username right here, your email address right here, then you click on register as. I will advise you use register as earner, except you want to come here to advertise on this very platform. So you want to click on earner based on you are coming here as a freelancer to make money from this very platform, right? So once you put that, you put in your password, your confirm password. You're going to click on register. So once you register an account, you're going to be landing in your dashboard. And the next thing you want to do is to put in your social media links, right? Come to this social media right here. You want to put in your social media link so that when you perform any tasks on this platform, it will be easy for them to easily verify your task and pay you into your bank account. So once you come to this very place, you want to add your social media links. As you can see, I've already had all my social media links right here. As you can see, this is my TikTok link. I've added all of them and it's verified. So you come to this add social media link right here, click on it. As you can see, you have to follow this instruction. Your social media account must have a profile picture and must be active. So you want to make sure your social media account is active, right? and you must add your social. They want to use this to know that you are the real owner of the account, and your account must have a recent post. Once you have read all this, you just scroll down right here. Then I'm going to click on social media right here. Click right here, then you can input the social media you want to insert right here. You can put in YouTube, WhatsApp, website, Twitter, TikTok, Thread, Telegram, Spotify, LinkedIn, App Store, and all of that. So once you click on it, it's going to generate your profile link right here. So this place right here, you're going to click on, you're going to copy the link of your profile of your social media account. You're going to paste it right here. Submit social media. So they are going to verify if you are the real owner of that social media account. If you follow their instruction, within the next 12 hours, they are going to verify your social media account, and you can start making money from this very platform. Now, the next thing to do is to activate your account. Now, to activate your account is just a one-time fee of 1,000 naira, of which you're going to use to activate your account. Is a lifetime and a one-time payment, of which you are not going to be paying again, right? So once you activate your account will be activated, and you can start making money from this very platform. As of the time of recording this video, the activation fee is 1,000. I don't know if it must have increased by now. So you want to go right now after this video to register this account and activate your account. So the next thing I want to show you on this platform is how you can start making money on this very platform. Now there are two ways to make money on this platform. The first way you can make money from this platform is by performing social media accounts. Now before we proceed in this video, if you are getting value so far in this video, I would love you right now to just go ahead right now and just click on the like button right now. Like this video, and if you have not joined this community, subscribe by joining this community. So let's dive into this video. So the first way to make money from this platform is by performing simple tasks. Now this is the task section, and this is the available tasks right now. I have over 163 available tasks right now. This is very huge, right? And this is page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, and the rest. So you can just start right here and start making money by just doing simple tasks. Now there are a lot of tasks for you to do, so you won't run out of tasks, right? If you can spend 1 hour, 30 minutes, 2 hours on this platform, you can make some reasonable money from this very platform. And these are different social media accounts, and these are the tasks you are going to do. This is Telegram channel, Facebook page follow, Twitter page follow, just scroll down, Facebook page follow, scroll down, so you can see right now, TikTok video comments, YouTube video comments. There are just many of them, right? There are over 100 plus right now. So you can just start doing this right now. So with this right now, you can use this to start making money on this platform, and they can pay you immediately. And you don't have to wait till Friday, till Sunday, till Monday. You can make money right now, and you can withdraw your money into your bank account right now. The minimum withdrawal from this platform is just 1,000 naira. So once your money is accumulated to 1,000, you can withdraw it directly into your local bank account. The next way to make money from this platform is by inviting your friends, right? Now, if you invite your friends, you can start making money from this platform by each friend you invite, right? Now, as you can see, once you register an account, you already have an invite link, right? An invite link is already right here, and you can use this invite link to invite your friends, and immediately your friends register on this platform, you're going to be receiving a bonus by inviting their friends. And this is the other way you can also make money from this platform. I have people who are using this only to make money by just inviting their friends, inviting people, and affiliating with this platform, and they're using this to make hundreds of thousands from this very platform. You can do that also by telling your friends about this platform, and they will gladly jump into it, because this is a making money online opportunity. This is my profile right now, and as you can see right now, this is my first name, my second name, my Gmail address, and as you can see, my status right here is activated. Now if you register an account right here and your account is not activated, it's not going to show this activation button right here. It will not show this activation button, but immediately you activate your account, it's going to show account activated. And the last thing I want to show you on this platform is your payment portal. All right, as you can see, this is my wallet balance, and this is my payment portal. Now once you are here, once you come to this payment right now, the first thing they will ask you to do is to input your bank details. The reason they are not asking me to input my bank details is because I've already input my bank details. So they are going to ask you to input your bank details, where you are going to input your bank details, your account number, and your account name. They are going to verify it for you, and you are going to click updated. So once you update it, then you are ready to start withdrawing your money right now into your bank account. So once your money gets to 1,000, just come to this very place, click on withdraw to bank, and they are going to tell you to select your bank. As you can see, this is my bank right here. This is my bank right here. I've already put in right here. This is my bank right here. I'll put in my withdraw amount. As you can see, minimum withdraw is 1,000 naira. Then I'll just put in the maximum withdraw is 400,000 naira. Then my password is already here. So once I put in my amount, I click on withdraw, and within 5 seconds, the money will appear in my bank account. So guys, I believe you find value from this video. This is basically how you can go about in this platform, and how you can make money from this singular platform right here in Nigeria or anywhere you are across Africa. I believe you got value from this video. If you do, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, because I'm going to be sharing more platforms to you and how you can make money with them, right? I'm going to try them out and I'm going to bring them to you and I'm going to share them with you. So click on the first link in the description of this video to register an account with this platform and start making money from this platform as a side hustle. So guys, I'll see you around. Bye for now.
Now, one thing I love about this platform is that once you withdraw your money, you get your money immediately, less than 10 seconds. Making money from it is just very easy, right? Now, to activate your account from this platform, as of the time of filming this video, is just 1,000 Naira to get your account activated, right? I don't know if it might have increased by now, but it's still 1,000 Naira. So you want to jump in right now by clicking the first link in the description to get registered on this platform and activate your account and start making money before the price increases. Right now, the money you are paying, the 1K you are paying, is the one-time and a lifetime payment, right? You are paying it once, which gives you access all to the platform, right, for life, right? That means you have the right to start making money for life on this platform, right? So you click on the first link to register on this platform and start making money for yourself before the price increases. With that said, I believe you got value from this video. If you do, please don't deny me the gratitude by liking this video. I appreciate that a lot in my videos. Like these videos, that way you are telling me you got value from this video. And subscribe if you have not subscribed. Subscription is just absolutely free. You are not paying any single dime for that. Subscribe and like this video. With that said, if you want to learn more ways you can make money online, I have a playlist right here. Just click it right here to access all the playlists on ways you can start making money right now on the internet. Now with that said, I'll see you around.